Yes. Oh, I do it my way. I do it my way. Yes, you're most welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Maurice the Crochet Master. And I'd like to take you to my tutorial of today. And we're going to be looking at on how to do the inside cornrows. Yes, this is still tricky to some of you guys, and I know it. So I'd like you to try to give me your time so that we look at this one and maybe we can still learn about something. I realize that if we need to learn this, the only thing we're going to do is to keep on practicing it. So you just have to practice as you're seeing what we're doing here. You practice as you're seeing what we're doing here. So what I can say about the inside cornrows is that we have been doing this for some time, but I realized that inside cornrows, it's still the best since it can last longer than these other cornrows. Trust me. Yeah, according to my research. You can also try to do yours, but according to me, this inside cornrows is still the best because you know why? The hair grows from inside. The hair grows from inside than these other corners that we do when they are upwards. So yeah, I want you guys make sure at least you get some time for this practice. You make sure that you practice it every day so that you can learn this kind of cornrow. And those ones who would like to follow my personal page, that is Maurice the Crochet Master on Instagram. Yes, I also joined the TikTok and it is still Maurice the Crochet Master. You can go and follow me there. Still, you can follow my Twitter. Still, it's Maurice the Crochet Master. And then my salon is called Hair by Clippers. That's where you're going to find most of those pictures that of the best hairstyles that I always do with my team. And yes, you can go there. Maybe you can comment about something that you will need us to come and make a tutorial. So this time around, I want you guys to make sure you learn how to do this, and very soon starting with the next this week, we are going to be getting more courses on how to do these inside cornrows on my website. Yes, that will be www.hairbyclippers.com. Yes, you can go and see how it's going to be so that you get that course, since it's a beginning of everything. Like when you know how to do this in the inside cornrows, it will be very easy for you like to do some other hairstyle, because cornrows is the beginning of the hairdressing. That's what I can say. Because if you know how to do cornrows, you can make crochet, you can do weaves. So it's all with the cornrows. And people been asking how I like my crochet. They always last longer simply because I just crochet them on the inside cornrows, because I know they last longer. So now let's try to get these steps, because I want you guys to learn this. And please trust me, if you want to learn this inside cornrows, the only thing you can do, you just have to practice it every day. You have to practice every day, trust me. But if you cannot, then it means you will fail to do this. You have to practice it every day. So let's try to get some good steps so that you can see how it starts. We always have to do it this way, but know that if you want to if as long as you learn how to join the inside cornrows, trust me, you'll be able to do all kind of hairstyles very nicely. So this is going to be the beginning of our course. Yes, we're going to be putting it there so that we can learn online, and then after I will still show you how to do the the extended dreads. Those are temporary dreadlocks, showing you how to unlock them, because some of you guys want to know that. So now let's keep on doing the inside corners, because this was our tutorial today, and I want you guys to try to give me your time. Let's get on another step so that you can learn better. This is how you make your lines according to the size you want it to be, and then you make sure that you cut it very perfectly so that you don't leave any hair on that line. And then when you're done with that, you get the threads, then you start. Starting is just like that, and then you just have to keep on adding. It's according to how you add, but you add from inside, just like that. Sorry, I've not shown you the first step, but I'm going to show you there on the next step. So you just add it from inside. You can see how I'm trying to add it, just from inside, just like that. Sometimes other people think like it is painful, but trust me, it doesn't pain at all. It does not pain at all. So you just start like that. You keep on adding, and adding it's according to how you want that size to look. Yes, you might want it to be very big, so it depending on the size that you keep on adding, it makes that size that you want it to be. So this is how you just have to keep on doing it, and it is very, very simple as long as you do practice. Trust me, it's very simple as long as you do practice, but if you don't, that is going to be very hard for you. Yes, so let's try to look at this step and see how it's going to be. Yes, you make sure that when you make your lines, they have to be that perfect, and then you start that way. But you just have to keep on adding from inside. You understand? You just have to keep on adding from inside, just like that. This is very, very like it lasts longer. Trust me, if you make it this way. Yes, just like that. You can do it, you see how it looks. Now you can do it. Yes, just like that, you see. Now you can do it just like that. You just have to keep on adding it that way, just like that. So the other things that you have to do, and trust me, if you keep on doing practice, you're going to make it perfect, because I know practice makes perfect. And for this one, you just have to make sure at least you do it every day. Because now they are different. Yes, there's that inside cornrow that we always do a crochet with it, and then there is this one, because now it's that's why I'm saying like it's different. The one that is done on a crochet, or maybe sewing a weave on, is different from this. So I would make sure that I also try to show you that, so that you get to learn how it is, then how you can do it, because that one is also very, very important. Yes, those are the things I want us to start learning, because now we realize that people have started like most people saying like maybe the crochet, they don't last longer, but the only thing is it's about how like the crochet, how we do the cornrows. Yes, how we do the cornrows, because a crochet cannot look old. No, it's only the cornrows that looks old, and then you have to remove it. So now those are the things I would like you guys to learn when it comes to that. And then I would like to appreciate everyone who is on this channel. Oh my god, thank you so much for subscribing, and I would say may God bless you. Indeed, you have made me to be someone very, very big since we ever started, and I would like to say I really do appreciate. My friends from United States of America, those ones in Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, the Power of Africa, those ones in South Africa, UK, Canada, German. Oh my god, I just love you so much. I love you so much. And please keep doing that. You can like, share, comment, yes, so that I know that my friends are out there. I can be happy. Yes, so these are our cornrows, and please trust me guys, I like it when I just want you guys to learn how to do this. So let's take our last step so that you can see how it looks. You get the thread like this, then you start doing it this way with these hands like that, and then you try to make sure you hold it. Then that's why you start adding, and then adding, you just add according to the size that you want, and you add from inside. So it means the hair, when it is growing, it's going to be growing from inside. Yeah, that's how it's going to be. So for now guys, let me sign up. But that one you're seeing, the Hair by Clippers, that is my salon. You can go and see all the work that I be doing. Like, follow, and comment. Yes, because that's how that's how you can that's how you can make me happy. And yes, I joined the TikTok also myself, so you can also go there and follow me, Maurice the Crochet Master. For now guys, let me sign out, and I love you. Bye bye.